Insiders, Alex here. So once again, thank you so much for joining us at the IG Market Insights Trading Festival on Saturday. If you were there, so it was a full house event, and I can see there are a few of the members there. Also, I'm also very happy that one of the members, Joseph Lee, actually won the final grand prize, the lucky draw prize for the 2-day 1-night Genting cruise. So once again, very happy for that, and I will send the winner the so-called update, okay, how to redeem the prize soon. Okay, and before I continue, right, just want to also update again on the Seasonal Vantage Telegram group over here. Okay, so right now I think only also about half join the Telegram group only. So which means there's another half haven't joined yet. Okay, for those paid one. All right. So once again, please do join this Telegram group. And once again, this is a public group. This is a public group, which means that, okay, as I mentioned at the announcement, at the pin message, right? So if there's any specific, data or specific trade ideas that are in play, okay, please do not so-called share it openly, okay, into this public group, because to be fair to our members, okay, so please don't share the trade ideas unless it is over already, the move has happened, okay, you want to share about your success, everything, okay, you can do it in the members area. So for example, like Chai Sing, and like, for example, like Henry do posted their winnings over here. So once again, okay, I encourage you guys to share your members success, could be trading profits, your position, okay, share them, and just want to let people know that there are so-called winning trades lah, okay, and this is useful for the public as well. And I will also give out a $50 capital voucher, okay, to one of the winner every single month, okay, as a token of appreciation. And again, the testimonial, okay, a bit blank, I mean, I would really appreciate, okay, if you can just share 1 or 2 sentences, whether SBI is useful for you. We have so many members there, okay. I really believe, at least give me 1 or 2 sentences. I think that is fine. It doesn't take a lot of times, right? Okay, just share how SBI is useful for you, lah. So I really appreciate that 1 or 2 sentences. Don't need to be like a paragraph or like one whole essay, lah. I mean, at least give me a short sentences. I think that is fine as well. And the reason why I do it as a public group, it is to let the public know, okay, certain useful thing that, like for example, some of the additional updates that I mentioned in the group as well. And once again, this will act as a so-called notification service. Sometimes, as I mentioned, right, the members area, once I posted one message, right, I can't post another one and you won't get a notification. Yeah. So let's say, for example, within a day, I posted two updates, right? You only receive the first updates, and this Telegram group will serve as a channel for you to receive the notification. And in fact, just now there's one member who asked me, "Hey, Alex, is there a Telegram group?" Since like I missed it. Yeah, she missed it because there's just too many emails in her inbox already. So this serves another channel, okay, maybe for you to get a notification in case you miss the email notification. Okay, so that's all for the announcement for both the trading festival and also the Telegram group. So back to the market today, right? So yeah, so tonight there will be no public Facebook and YouTube live stream because, to be really honest, okay, I'm a bit tired, okay, yeah, after the event. So it seems that I will just sit down at the event there controlling all the things, but it can get pretty tiring. Yeah, I didn't get enough sleep, and at the same time today I actually had a meeting with some brokers lah. So yeah, to have the time to actually prepare for my usual 10:30 p.m. live stream. But okay, I will still take the time to really do the update videos for you, for the members, right? Okay, so this is the S&P 500 futures here, right? Yeah, you can see that, to be really honest, the market actually rally much more than I anticipated. Okay, so initially I thought that the market will actually have a pullback after it rose a while, really a while, but it didn't continue to go higher. It continued to go higher. All right, so this is the S&P 500. So at this moment in time, okay, the market is definitely bullish lah. But okay, it also tells me that, you know, I am a bit late to the scene if I'm just thinking about going long, because, you know, I would have tried to long here, long here, long here, you know, yeah, but I did not. I mean, I have some position, I think, for those who did not, okay, if we didn't long already, then right now it's a bit too late, because you know, right now we are hitting the central pivot range already, okay, and we are very near to the star reversal signal. Not yet, but we are almost there. So which means that I don't actually recommend, okay, you to just chase longs or to buy, especially the indices or the big cap stocks, which means that, you know, we are near at a high already. So the reward to risk ratio, it is not that good. At any point in time, you know, the market can have just another kind of a sell off, another pullback again. Okay, yeah. So of course, we won't know when it will come. Maybe the market can continue to go higher like that. I won't know. But at this point in time, okay, we need to manage our risk. So I won't actually, you know, go aggressively going to long the indices or to long the big cap stocks. Okay, and for the S&P cash index, right, the zero gamma level, it is 5425 at this point of doing this video. I believe the zero gamma level can continue to go higher, okay, but as of now the data show is 5425 for the cash index, which means that right now price is above the zero gamma level, which is good, okay, which is good in a way that is telling us that the market it is above the zero gamma level. There's a less volatility, okay. We are with the market makers, because if the price continue to go higher, okay, the market maker will also continue to long the market to continue to hedge their position. Okay, so this is good. There's less volatility. All right, and yeah, so overall the market is still in an overall uptrend. Just that I mentioned, just that I feel that the market is a little bit overbought right now. Okay, yeah, even though the Elder Force Index do not show a green dot overextended move, but we are near this central pivot range. For the Nasdaq, we are also somewhere near the central pivot range there. You can see that some at the last 2 days, right, on Friday, and right now, as of market futures doing right now on Monday, this price is kind of hovering here right now. Okay, for this coming week, is there any big market news or not? So for this coming week, 19, let's filter the more important event first. Okay, because I refresh, I cleared all my cookies, so all the previous settings are all gone. So just for the USD, apply this week. Okay, okay, so this coming Wednesday midnight, there's Thursday Singapore time, okay, early morning at 2 a.m. There's this FOMC meeting minutes, unemployment claim, and all this. So maybe the market might be muted until Thursday or so. All right, Thursday or so. So generally from Monday to Wednesday onwards, not much data moving news. Okay, in fact, there's none. Okay. All right. So yeah. So this is the update on the indices. Let's head over. Oh, sorry. Before I forget, right? Okay. Yeah. So all in all, I think the market is giving me some mixed signal right now. So if you actually look at the equity clock S&P 500, right? Okay, so you can see that typically at the end of August, okay, the market for the past 20 years tends to go higher until September, mid-September, generally a bearish period for the S&P. You can't have a very sharp sell-off over there. But as of now, right now in August, right, the market has already risen quite a bit already. Okay, so again, my personal take is that I don't like to chase lah. Okay, and yeah, even though there are other few signal, like for example, the NYSI, the McClellan Summation Index, right? You can see that previously, you know, it was down, market is coming down there, and then it started to cross higher again. So this is the EMA 8 Okay, on the stocks chart, it is the NYSI, NYSI. You can just search, okay, the NYSE, okay, NYSE McClellan Summation Index. So typically when it crosses upward, it signals a bullish trend, okay. But again, yeah, we still need to wait for the price action. As of now, I think the big indices, I think I keep repeating, I think it is not the best time to buy right now for me personally, okay. Of course, if you think that it is a good time to buy, then go ahead. But for me, I'll be more cautious, okay, on my side lah. All right, and to go through last week what I posted on the members area. So the last post I posted was the August 13th. I actually posted the seasonal trend of the Bitcoin over there. So as I mentioned, right, Bitcoin from mid-August to early October, it tends to go down lower until maybe early October, then price start to maybe go higher. So as I mentioned, right, so don't be surprised if as of now the Bitcoin, the crypto market doesn't move at much. So right now it's quite ranging. So I'm not surprised if price actually maybe can drill down lower. Okay. As of now, price is below the CPR and below the cloud also. So if you really want to buy, if you're so eager to buy crypto, right, then maybe you can wait for at least above the CPR. Okay, then you consider buying. It'll be safer. At least you know that the uptrend is still intact, and based on objective rules that's above the CPR, then you consider buying. So above the CPR price, at least for this month, it is about 6,300. They're about above 6,000, it's about 63,000. Sorry, 63,000. Then you can consider, really want to buy. Okay, but if price continue to go down lower, okay, also don't be too surprised. Okay, I hope you guys understand that, All right. So previously, this is the seasonal chart for Bitcoin. So I mentioned the last one on the 12th of August. All right. So last week, actually, not a so good week for me. So I got a few position or got stopped out. Okay, I think I'll be transparent with you. Okay, nothing so-called paise in losing for me, because in trading there are winners and losers as well. So we have many weeks of very good trading result. So 1 week of so-called bad trading result doesn't determine like the full year outcome. So it's part and parcel. So okay, so I actually entered into BANC, the Bank of California. So I got stop out as well. So BANC, okay, Bank of California. So initially when I first entered, price was below the wash line, but somehow the market just got very bullish, okay, and just go higher. So as of now, okay, I won't be keen to actually short the Bank of California right now, because right now price is above the CPR also. Okay, so this is Bank of California, BANC. And then I actually also shorted GVA. This is the Granite Construction, GVA. That was one of the trade idea posted by John. I entered that, but my stop was actually pretty tight. So price actually go higher, and I also got stop out as well. So that's a 1R plus another 1R, so 2R is gone. Okay, so I got 2R is down, and I also actually entered into gold miners, GDX, shorted that. Okay, GDX. All right, so when I first shorted, it is actually here, okay, on this bar over there. At intraday, price was actually below the wash line over there, but somehow towards the end of the day, price is just at the wash line, okay, and then price recovered quite a bit. So at that point in time, okay, I knew that my position, I think it is in danger. True enough, okay, after that, within the next 2 days, price just go higher. So all in all, I get stop out as well. So these are the 3 positions I got stop out, okay. I mean that it is not painful, okay, but just a bit sian. I also got stop out, okay. I have emotion as well, okay. Nothing so-called harmful to my portfolio, but just a bit disappointed that it got stopped out, part and parcel. All right, and then but that's fine. But previously we have some winners as well. So for UFPI, I think maybe some of you shorted this. I'm still holding on to this short UFPI. doesn't really move much. Okay, consolidating. Okay, yeah. So last Friday, price action not very good. Okay, so I'm still holding on to this short. This short still seems okay to me. So for EFPI, so I'm still holding it. And whereas for the previously, okay, the early August, I mentioned the Cisco Corp and the Nasdaq. Okay, was pretty good. Okay, so for Nasdaq, I think Henry posted the screenshot of the winning trade. Okay, I think Chai Sing also posted that. NDAQ. Okay, NDAQ, I got a full 1.5R win also, NDAQ. Okay, NDAQ, it is over here. A fantastic run over there. When I first mentioned, okay, it was somewhere around here, right? Okay, all right, and then just go up all the way. Definitely got a 1R, 1.5R, or 2R, depending where you put your stop loss. So for me, okay, as usual, 1.25 ATR, okay, for the stop loss, and I got a 1.5R profit for this NDAQ Nasdaq. And then for the SYY Cisco Corp, I'm still holding on to this long. So SYY, okay, it doesn't happen like very fast instantaneously, but I'm still holding on. But yeah, price action still looks okay to me, but at least it didn't hit my stop lah. So in some profit, so I'm still holding on to it. So net, okay, I think I'm still okay, even though last week, as in overall, I'm still losing a bit. Okay, all right, but overall, it is fine. And yeah, so that's all for the update for the past 2 weeks or so. All right. So for this coming week, so as usual, we can look at the bullish and the bearish as well. So to be really, really honest, okay, for the bullish stocks, right? Okay, there isn't any signal right now for the bullish stocks. So I'm looking through some of the stocks, right? Okay, no signal because a lot of stocks has risen so much already. So there wasn't any pullback based on the data that I have. So for this week, okay, for this week is actually from the 18th to 25th. Typically, I do Sunday to Sunday. So the 18th Sunday to 25th of August Sunday. So again, you can filter out, okay, 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22, 22nd, and 23rd. So there's no 25th. So it's like 19 to 23rd lah, okay, and filter and such. So there's no signal right now for the bullish stocks and ETF. But as the week progresses, if I find any so-called interesting stocks to highlight, then I'll update you guys in the members area as well. But for the bearish stocks, okay, there are some interesting one. Okay, but before I go into for the bullish, okay, so for the bearish one, okay, by right for this coming week, right, a number of sectors and industry are bearish. Okay, all right. So for example, biotech lah, healthcare lah, consumer staple lah, okay, utilities lah, and all these lah, consumer goods lah. Okay, but as of now, there are no bearish signal on this ETF and industry as well. Okay, and again for stocks, there are quite a bit. Okay, and quite a bit, but as I mentioned, right, a number of stocks has risen so much already. So the only stocks that have some, trigger, some signal is the two stocks that I'm going to mention. So the first stock, it is actually it's here, okay? The first stock, ARE, okay, Alexandra Real Estate Equities. This is actually a REITs, okay, a property stock, a REIT. So from 19 August to 2nd August for the past 10 days, okay, 90% of time, okay, it is down during this favorable bearish period, 19 August to 2nd August. So you can take a look at ARE right now. So for ARE, okay, this is a REIT over there. So you can see that, overall it is in a downtrend. Okay. Okay, and you can see that it is right now below the CPR and also below the cloud. Okay, so on Friday, there's actually a wash and rinse trigger. So coming down, some pullback up. Okay, the wash bar was actually here, okay, where this close is higher than the previous day close. So though the previous day close, it is actually 113.24. 113.24. Okay. No, sorry. High, it is 114.76. Sorry. 114.76. 4.76. Okay, all right, so 114.76, and then on Friday, price closed lower than the wash line over there. So let's see whether this coming week, okay, price can continue to go down lower for this ARE, Alexandria Real Estate Equities. This is a REIT, so this is one. Another one that I'm looking at, it is TPH, okay, TPH, it is, TPH. It is here. Oh, the last one, okay, the Tri Ponte Group. Okay, to be honest, I don't know this stock as well. This is the first time I came across this stock from 23rd of August, all right, to 9th of September. The window is pretty short, okay. 100%, okay, this is interesting. For the past 10 years, it has a 100% win, okay, but the average profit not so high, about 3% only. But nevertheless, this is still a valid so-called idea if there's a valid trigger as well. So this is a Tri Ponte. All right, so TPH, Tri Ponte. I don't know if it's called Tri Ponte or Tri Point. Okay, let's call it Tri Ponte. All right, so again, it is going higher and then come back down, tested the CPR again, okay, as a resistance level. All right, and typically, okay, I don't usually like a pin bar or shooting star. Okay, you can see that, this is not my preferred so-called setup, but these are the setup so far. Okay, not the best, okay, but you can keep a watch out for. And price, there was a so-called trigger as well. You can see that there was a wash and reset up on Thursday. Price closed higher than the previous day high. The previous day high, it is actually 41.42. 41.42 over there. Okay. All right. And then on Friday, price closed lower. Okay. Below the wash line. Let's see whether the price can go down in this coming week or so. So once again, this is not my best setup. There is a pin bar, but the good thing is this is not a very popular stock, not a hot stock. Okay, so not many people take notice of such stocks, and the fact that it actually cross over the previous high, over the swing high, then still make it a so-called a valid stock lah. Okay, at least not so bad, but again, not my best kind of setup. But nevertheless, you can see that the previous so-called shooting star and all this, it's still kind of a pretty work as well, like over there. But of course, this doesn't work, okay? So it's more of a 50-50, okay? But not my best setup, but I think still can work if this is not a so popular stock, okay? All right, and then it actually hunted the swing high over there, okay, above the swing high. So all in all, as of now, there's only two stocks that have a trigger and a good setup. That is, as I mentioned, right, this ARE and also TPH. ARE is the Alexandria, okay, Real Estate, and this TPH is the Tri Ponte Home. Okay, so I think that's also, as the week progresses, if there's any more interesting stocks to mention, then I will update you in the members area and also in the Telegram group as well. So if you haven't so-called join this Telegram group, I encourage you to join. You should find this Telegram group, okay, in this members area posting, okay. And I think only half joined so far. I think there's still half, okay. So do join if you haven't joined yet. So yeah, as of now, as a repeat, okay, I think the S&P 500, okay, is still on uptrend, but I wouldn't want to so-called just long the index or long the big caps. We are at the CPR. Okay, resistance level. So with that, I think thank you so much, and I'll see you guys again. Thank you and bye bye.